opportunity your property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. Since there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. About the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen on Facebook entire present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can take advice by the If you have already shared in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, subscribe our channel and press the icon so that you